Hello everyone out there, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a live video. Tonight is September 9th. It is Sunday evening and I just want to say hello and give everyone information about the Power Lead system that's been looking at the program or trying to really understand how it works, how the different levels work, what the Power Lead system is all about. For those that don't know, I've been online since 2015. I had my breakthrough the end of 2016, earning a full-time income online consistently by using digital marketing. Okay. When I first came online, I was really confused about what to do, how to do things, how to generate traffic, how to convert leads into consistent commissions. And that's something that I'm learning how to do, but I've been able to build a six-figure income online doing this on a part-time basis. Okay. And I'm going to show you guys a program, and then I'm going to break down the different levels and what you can expect to actually earn when you join each level, and give you a few scenarios so that people kind of have a realistic expectation on what they can see happen when they join the program. Okay. So the Power Lead system, I joined in September of 2017. So this month made 1 year with the program, and it's a lead generation magnet. It's a way to get unlimited traffic. It's a way to promote your business opportunity. It's a way to help people to stop struggling if they have a business and they are not getting consistent commissions. Okay, so just going into my account, and I'm going to show some proof, and then I'm going to go directly into the information about the Power Lead system. So far, I'm at $60 for the week. I've generated thousands of dollars with this program. Last week, $1,210 for the week. The week before that, $530 for the week. The week before that, $840. And if we go into my commission payment history, I'm already over $69,000 for 1 year with this program. Okay. And I expect to do even better the next year, because when you build an online business, it just gets bigger and bigger with time. Okay. So we know that this all takes time, but with consistency, the sky's the limit. And that's what I'm here to really show people how to do, how to take their business to the next level using free and paid traffic generation strategies. Okay. Because that's what it's all about. If you don't have traffic, you don't have a business. If you have a business but nobody's looking at it, you really don't have a business, because it's not generating income to be a business. Okay. So what I want to do is go into a PowerPoint presentation that I put together, and we're going to go over the slides here. So please make sure you watch till the end, because I have some special for everyone that stays to the end, and I'm going to keep this short and simple, straight to the point. But this is Power Lead System compensation plan breakdown, and the name of our group is the Freedom Takers, because we are looking to help people free their time to spend more time with their family, do the things that they love. If you have time freedom, the sky's the limit, right? So that's what I'm here to help people to do. If you want to get more information about the Freedom Takers group, go to Facebook groups, type in the Freedom Takers, and you will see the information. Okay. So here we have the breakdown of our compensation plan. And what we have is the gold level, which is the lowest level within the Power Lead system. Okay. I call it the residual game plan. And why I call it that? Because the gold membership is the only level that has a residual plan on it. Okay, which means you can get paid every single month for the people that join at this level. So it's $53 a month for you to own your own business in a box. Okay, you're getting everything that you need to run your business for $53 per month, which is really cheap for a business. You get unlimited $20 commissions. You become an affiliate. And if you don't want to set up the funnel, a one-time payment of $50, you can have the funnel set up for you. So you don't even have to worry about setting it up. You pay the $50 and your funnel is set and ready to rock and roll. So hypothetically speaking, at the lower end, if you were just to get 10 people to sign up, you are at $200 per month every single month within this business, just by recruiting 10 people. Mind you, this is an international business, which means it's past the United States. People in Canada, people from other parts of the country can join this opportunity, get involved, pay their $53. I just had a gentleman from Jamaica join this business, okay? From Kingston, Jamaica. I've had people from Kenya join this business, from Africa, okay? So this is an international business. You get 10 people to take a look and become a member. You're already at $200 for the month at the gold membership level. Then what we have is the diamond level, which I call the sweet spot. So this is where most people will upgrade to, and they feel comfortable upgrading to, just to get the training that we have within the Freedom Takers group, and then also to get the training in the Power Lead System back office, okay? So at the diamond level, you pay a one-time payment of $147. It allows you to get unlimited $100 payments. You get your funnel set up for you at no additional charge at this level. And then you also get access to our Diamond and Platinum Freedom Takers group, which have step-by-step training on how to generate leads and commissions on a daily basis. It gives you information to set up your autoresponder. You get the email swipes. You get like everything you need to do free and paid marketing, okay? And it's broken down into short videos where you can take it one day at a time to really learn how to put this system together. 5 of these one-time payments, okay? These are not residuals. You only get paid out one time for each person that joins you. You get 5 people that come in at this level, you made $500, okay? And that's what you get at the diamond level. Then we have the platinum level. I call this the money maker, okay? So this is for the people that really want to leave their jobs. They really want to just stay home with their family. They want time freedom. They don't want to work a 9 to 5. They want to do this full time, okay? And remind you, we're talking about a company that's been around for 10 years, paying out consistently every single week for the last 10 years. This is where you want to be. If you want to leave your job, you want to earn a full-time income, you want time freedom, platinum level is where it's at. One-time payment of $497, or you could break this down into 2 payments of, I believe, $297. And you get unlimited $400 one-time payments for each person that joined at this level. You get your funnel set up for you. You get access to our platinum group. You get the email swipes to put in for your autoresponder if you want to use a third-party autoresponder. Additional traffic strategies at this level, and you get the daily blueprint of exactly what to do in order to be successful with this program and for the consistency. A check off of exactly what I do every day to grow my business, and you can literally pick what you want to do, make your own blueprint, and just follow those steps every single day, okay? I tell people the first 90 days is time to really wind down and really focus on your business so that you can have those consistent commissions. Run your paid traffic. If not, focus on free traffic consistently every day, at least 4 to 5 days a week, okay? And that only takes about an hour to hour and a half. 5 platinum commissions is going to put you at $2,000 one-time payments, okay? So for 5 platinum signups, you're at $2,000 because each one is $400. So yeah, that's $2,000, okay? If you was even to just make 2 of these a week, you're already at $800 for the week. One of them is putting you at $400 for the week. And these are easy to come by, okay? They're really consistent. The more that you pump traffic, you'll see that you'll get a lot of these, okay? This is the moneymaker level. And then we have the Master Traffic Institute, AKA known as time freedom and financial freedom for yourself and your family. And this is when you want to take your business to the next level and you want that money to vacation, to buy your home, buy a new car, you want to have your kids go to college, you want to start setting the money aside for them, you want to put your kids in private school, all of those things, okay? And this is where I'm at, the Master Traffic Institute level. Since I've upgraded, I've vacationed out of the country twice in a year. I will be vacationing again for my third time for this year out of the country. My kids are in private school. I was able to upgrade my home, pay my taxes on my home, do the things that I would not be able to do if I was not receiving these $1,000 commissions, okay? Make a payment one time of $14.97, or you could break it up into two payments of close to $800, okay? You get unlimited $1,000 commissions. Funnel setup, you receive access to the Diamond and Platinum group. You get the traffic to set it and forget it, where you don't have to spend much of any time, maybe 20 minutes a day for your traffic. You get training in a PLS back office from 6, 7, and 8-figure earners. And you earn as you learn. So as you're learning, you are earning with the system. You get two of these. You get two of these in a month, let's just say. You made $2,000 just with two of these. Now, everything that I showed you does not include the overrides you receive from the work of your teammates. So you get paid even additional income from the Power Lead system when your team goes to work. 50% matching bonuses. It's just, it's insane. The compensation plan is insane. You get, if someone on your team makes a platinum commission, you automatically get $50. Someone on your team makes a Master Traffic Institute commission, you get a $200 bonus. Somebody gets a diamond bonus, you get a diamond sign up, you get a $20 bonus. For the diamond level, you get every 5th person from your downline, from your team. So you're going to get every number 5. So number 5, number 10, number 15, for your diamond members, you're going to receive those commissions. For the gold, you get some of the commissions from your downline as well. So you don't have to put in all the work by yourself. When your team and the people you sign up goes to work, no matter how small the commissions are, you're getting a piece of the pie. And I love that about the Power Lead system. You don't have to do all of the work alone. And then here's important information to know. Each level is paid into separately. So what that means is, if you come in at the platinum level and you pay the $497, that does not mean that you have access to the diamond level. You have to buy into the diamond level separately. Okay? If you come in at the diamond level, that does not mean you automatically get the gold level membership. You have to pay your $53 monthly fee at the gold membership level to get those commissions. Some people think that if they come in at the higher level, that they are paid for all of the levels that are below that level, and that's not how it works. Each level is bought into separately. Because you are receiving commissions for those levels separately, you have to buy into them separately. If you buy into the platinum commission and you skip and you don't get into the diamond and turn that button green in the back office for that diamond level, you will miss out on those commissions and they will pass up to your sponsor. If you come in at the gold level and the diamond level and you don't buy into the platinum level, if someone in your downline sees your link and they sign up for the platinum level, you will lose out on that commission and it will go directly to your sponsor. If you pay in at the highest level and you pay your $1,500 at the MTI level, $1497, but you don't pay into the platinum level at the $497, you will lose out on those platinum commissions. That needs to be paid into separately. So when you come in, you may lose some commissions. That happened to me, okay? Don't worry. Just when you can upgrade as soon as possible. How long does it take to build this business? Your first 60 to 90 days is what you need to really focus on to make this a full-time income. Okay? Realistic goals. You have to be dedicated to the process. You have to be consistent. And based on whether you're using paid traffic or free traffic is going to determine how much money you're going to make and how quickly you're going to make the money. Traffic strategies we use a lot. You can use solo ads. You can use Facebook ads. You can purchase clicks. You can use YouTube ads. You can use Twitter. You can use Facebook. You have Instagram. You have video marketing. And you could do SMS text messaging, do mobile phones. There's so many different ways. What I tell people to do is pick two, stick to two. I would use a free and a paid strategy together and keep working those two platforms until you master those and then you move on to something else. Information overload. Focus on the basics. Everyone wants to get into a business and learn everything. You're not going to learn everything. That's not how it works. Focus on setting up your funnel, running traffic to your funnel. That's it. Everything else that you need to learn, you can do it in between time. But if you try to go through all of the training, try to implement all of the training, you will have information overload, which will have you stuck and not really knowing what to focus on first to actually get moving to start actually earning. Last but not least, when to quit. Never. Never give up. Never quit. Keep pushing ahead. Stay focused on your business, and you will be rewarded by staying focused. So if you want more information about the Power Lead system, you can contact me through Facebook, email, or by phone, and I'll be more than happy to help you to get started and to take you through this online journey, holding your hand and make sure you're successful online. Okay? I'm looking to inspire people to start working from home and earning online. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to follow my results, and I will speak to you again later. So thanks again and have a great night.